Hey, my loves. I hope everyone is doing well. Happy holidays, guys. I am bringing you along to show you my new Christmas tree that I got this year for 2022. This is my first time putting up a Christmas tree since the first time I moved into this townhome. The first year I had one because we didn't have a lot of furniture when we first moved in to fill the room. But ever since that first year, the room is filled with furniture and I had nowhere to display a Christmas tree. So this year, I decided before I leave this townhome, I'm going to display a Christmas tree, even if I had to put it in the middle of the room. I just want my year here before I do leave to be Christmassy, okay? If that's a word, Christmassy. That's my word I'm using for it. Okay, festive, and I am used to having a Christmas tree. I've always had one growing up. My family always displayed a Christmas tree every year. So I'm so used to it that, I just wanted to put one up, guys. I'm gonna stop rambling on and we're going to get into the video. So first though, I'm going to show you how I decorated for the end of the year for Christmas. I decided to use the traditional colors, red and white. I don't have any green. Well, I have a little bit of greenery in here, okay? But my main colors is the red, the pop of red on what I already have my white. Okay, so as you can see here on my sofa shades right here, I have these pillow covers. All of these are from Amazon, and the throw is from Amazon as well. All of the pillow coverings and everything on this shades is from Amazon. Okay, so right here, here's my ottoman, and if you've seen my last video, I believe I displayed this ginger jar with the picks in them, and I just brought them in here. So that's what's going on right there on my mirrored tray that I always have sitting here. On my end table over here, I didn't do very much on the end tables. I wanted to keep it very light, just add a pop of red there. I already had this vase here from the Dollar Tree, so I decided to just pop that in there. And the tinsel tree, I already had that from Dollar Tree as well. Decided to pop that in there, and a couple of candles. Now this candle right here, guys, this is a DIY. Okay, this is a DIY. The glass jar is from the Dollar Tree, and I took the glass candles that they have at Dollar Tree and I made my own DIY candle. Okay, something very simple and easy to do. Okay, so let me switch you. You've seen this before. Okay, that's DIY sconces up there. And let's move on to over here. I have a new plant over there. And over here, I just put my DIY lantern with a couple of Christmas bulbs in there. Didn't do much. Popped a bow on here that I made. Guys, believe me, this bow looks way better than I wish you could have seen the first bow. No, I don't wish you could have seen the first bow. The first bow I made was hideous, okay? Hideous. Everybody was laughing at that bow. They said, Mom, take that down. You got to do better than that. Y'all know, if you know me by now, I'm not a good bow maker, but I think this one came out really, really nice. So I'm very proud that I finally got that together. And the tinsel tree over here from the Dollar Tree I already had. And here I just have a patchouli candle and another of the DIY glass candles that I made. That's all I did over there. This is the same right here. These pillow throws are from Amazon as well. And the throw, white throw right there. Okay, let me switch you around to the TV viewing area right here. Okay, I have a nice little scene going on right there, a nice Christmas scene. There we go. And up here on my fireplace, I have my candle holders here. You've seen those many times before. And I have lantern here, which I popped these little bells on. Okay. Same thing on this side. Then I have this up here on the fireplace, decorated with the same ornaments that I used on the tree. So that's how that's looking. Now on the bookshelves over here, same thing up here. Pop my little reindeer that I had, my little Glam reindeer with the fur on here. I was looking for another one, guys. I could not find one in time for this video, so I said I'm gonna go with what I got. So this is what I got, but I will be purchasing another one. And I just got the little red Christmas box up there from the Dollar Tree. Didn't do nothing with the books. Still have my coffee table books there. And down here, I popped some red poinsettias in my vase. Down here, I still have my Tom Ford book. And as you can see back there, I have my Glam candle holder with my Chanel candle on it. Decided to put them over on this side. And also I have the one on this side. You can't see it, it's peeking out from back there. Oh, and the rug right here. I just picked this up from Aldi's. And it says Merry Christmas with the little red truck with the tree in it. I thought that was so cute and adorable. And they had many to choose from. That's what I got going on there. And in this bookcase, I do have two reindeers that I got last year with the little Christmas box. Same thing here with the books. Still have my main box there. And I have another set of poinsettias in my vase over here. Okay. Okay, so over here, didn't do any decorating except for pop the DIY vases here. Guys, I am so in love with these bottled vases that I created. Very easy DIY to do. All I did was spray paint. Well, actually, I didn't even spray paint these. I used white house paint, okay? On these, one is a champagne bottle and one is a wine bottle. And I decided to do my own little vase creation, okay, opposed to buying them, because they can be quite expensive, especially if you want some that look, you know, that look good, okay, that you like with different, a different shape to it. They can be quite expensive. And I just popped some stems in there, some glittery stems. And right here at the door, I have a faux fur wreath. I put the bell on there myself and put these little bells inside, the jingle bells. And I actually added on these ornaments as well. They didn't come on here. I added those. Okay. Now, let's get into my bar area, guys. Yes, the tree is in front of the bar, but I'm not caring because we don't even use the bar. And like I said, if I had to put this tree in the middle of the room, it was going in the middle of the room. So there is my new water fountain right there. I love this so much. It's so soothing and relaxing. And my lucky elephant right there, little Glam elephant. Everything's the same up here, except for I just added this, I don't even know what you call it. It's some kind of little, whatchamacallit, that's what we're gonna call it. It's a whatchamacallit, and it's red. Y'all, I can be quite silly sometimes, okay? So just ignore me, just ignore me. Okay, let's get to the tree. We have my first white Christmas tree over here. I do have another white one and a pink one that I could have used the white one that I had, but I wanted a new one. Out with the old, in with the new. I wanted something new, so this is what I got. Bring you in a little closer. Some of these ornaments are from Walmart. Most of them are from Walmart. This Glam butterfly right here, I think that is so cute. Walmart. And this is my favorite, the ski boot sweater with the fur on top. Oh my gosh, I think that is so cute. It's so cute. I love that. I love anything whimsical, so. And let's see. The ribbon is from Amazon. The berries are from Amazon. What else? Already had this bowl from the Dollar Tree. The Christmas boxes are from the Dollar Tree. And I just have them spread out along the bottom. The birdies are from Amazon. The white ones are already had. The picks are from the Dollar Tree. The tinsel red tree is from the Dollar Tree as well. I did not have a good topper that I wanted to use, so I just went along with what I had. I really did not care because as long as I had the tree, I was happy. Everything else did not matter. Oh, the little red reindeer here, it is from Big Lots, I want to say. I don't know. Where did I get this? I have two of them. One on this side and I have one on the other side. I think Big Lots, if I'm not mistaken. If not, probably Family Dollar. I don't know, guys. I'm at a loss, but I love them. They're velvet. And there's the other one. Okay, let me move along to the curtains because I'll stay on the tree for hours, okay? Okay, let's go to the curtains. The curtains I already had. They are from Amazon. And the tie backs there are a DIY. And y'all know I always have my elephant over there. Yeah, so that's how everything is looking. I'm gonna pan around the room one more time for you guys, and then I'm gonna let you go. Both are thorough there. And make sure I didn't miss anything. I hope you guys liked my Christmas decor for 2022. Yeah, I just basically added some pops of red. Guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.